Hi guys, we're out of office and flown all the way to Korea to introduce you to some of the best K-beauty brands like never seen before. So we're at the FarmSkin office with their founder and CEO, Mr. Gok. Hi, Mr. Gok. It's so nice to meet
Nice
you.
to meet you. Yeah, welcome to the Korean
Thank you so much.
FarmSkin office.
So let's step into the world of nature with this amazing brand, FarmSkin. So, Mr. Gok, our Indian audience wants to know if FarmSkin is suitable for the Indian skin and what are your plans to launch in India?
Yeah, actually, when I started my business, so I focused on the India.
Oh,
because in India,
okay.
I think it's the #1 population in the world.
Yes.
So yeah, so depending on our approach, so maybe, for example, the facial mask, our the cleansing
Right.
foam is
Right.
based on the skin type: dry skin,
Right.
sensitive skin, and the oily skin.
Right.
Yeah, skin type.
Okay.
And when you make the facial mask, we are focused on the function,
Okay.
the plumping, whitening,
Okay.
brightening.
Right,
Yeah.
right. So one of the reasons why Indians love Korean skincare is because you guys look so young and you
Yeah.
have really young looking skin. So our users have been asking us how to fight those anti-aging signs and how to get firmer skin. So what products would you suggest?
Yeah, actually, all of the products have the colostrum. In
Right.
colostrum, there is a TGF. TGF is a very good growth factor. The growth factor, they can prevent the anti-aging.
Right.
So in my case, actually, I have a bit older face, but after the starting my business, I have the more younger.
Really?
So
Wow.
so the younger person, yeah.
That's great. And what are your plans to launch in India?
Yeah, first we are
Okay.
launching the facial mask
Okay.
because we are selling our powerful cellular mask.
Okay.
It's very more than the 40 countries
Right.
already.
Okay.
So first time we are launching the facial mask. After that we are launching for the cleansing.
We're super thrilled that these masks are coming to India.
Yeah.
So I've heard that these masks have instant brightening qualities. So if I
Yes.
try this right now, my skin will glow instantly?
Oh yeah.
Really?
Sure,
Wow.
yeah. Actually, and
Okay.
one more thing.
Okay.
We tested the facial mask in the institute
Right,
about the
right.
sensitive skin.
Right.
So we test all tests.
Okay.
Yeah.
So do you want to tell us about your journey and your skin's journey before FarmSkin and after FarmSkin?
Yeah. So in my case,
Yeah.
actually I have many the scar on my face.
Okay.
So after maybe when I was in the high school, so I have many the pimple,
Oh,
acne
Okay.
on my face.
Oh.
Actually, I'm going to the university, so I wanted to make the girlfriend, but that time I have so many the acne in there, so I
Yeah.
don't have the girlfriend. But after the FarmSkin, so using the cleanser
Yeah.
and the facial mask, I have no more the acne or the pimple.
oh, so you have a girlfriend?
Yeah, sometimes. Yeah.
So you first-hand experience younger looking
Yeah.
skin now
compared
compared to before.
And
which
one
is
more thing,
great.
so without no acne anymore.
Wow, that sounds amazing. Would you recommend something for me? Even I'd love to try it.
For us, the cleanser is more important to
Okay.
the face. So I think that the skin is a little dry, right?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Oh, wow,
so-
you can tell. I put a lot of moisturizer this morning. I
Yeah.
mean, Korea is so cold.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
first time you have to clean the face with
Yeah.
for dry skin,
Okay.
pomegranate the foam cleanser.
Yeah.
And I think that he said it's smoothing.
Okay.
Smoothing is smoothing, right?
Okay.
So in there, the avocado, blueberry, mango,
Okay.
and the killenberry and grape. So maybe after doing the,
Okay.
you stay the 7 days, right?
Yeah,
So-
maybe I can try it in
Yeah,
Korea for
yeah.
7 days.
So you remain 6 days. So
Yeah.
please use the 5
Sure.
until the.
Alright, so we are very curious to know the difference between the superfood line and the fresh food line.
Oh yeah, it's very good question. Actually, the superfood.
Yeah.
we are in the superfood, right?
Okay, yeah.
So and we are putting more concentrate the colostrum.
Okay.
So it's more premium. It's more expensive.
Okay.
For fresh food, we are also using the very good farm material.
Alright.
But in fresh food line, we are using the popular vegetable,
Got it.
and we are using the colostrum. So I think the fresh food line is more premium.
Okay, it's a
And
premium range.
Yeah.
Okay.
And fresh food is for more the
Right.
mass market.
Right. But it's all natural ingredients.
Yeah. Natural ingredients.
Wow,
the
that's
same.
amazing to know.
Yeah.
So So you know, when we looked at this range, it looks so delicious.
Yeah, it looks
And we actually wanted to just eat it up. So is there any way it's, is there any way it's edible?
Yeah, but your skin eat it.
Okay, my skin will eat
Yeah.
it, which is a very good answer. So my question is, could you suggest a perfect mix for each skin type?
Yeah, yeah. Actually, when you combine the 7 pouch in the one boxes, so in there, oh, can you
Yeah,
hold it? Okay,
sure.
thank you. So in there, there's different 6 pouch inside.
Yeah, okay.
So carrot and green tea
Okay.
and olive bit. So
Right.
actually we have a 12 pouch, but
Right.
in Farm Skin team we test the many the pouch. So the when the pore becomes suddenly visible.
Okay, when you have open pores.
Yeah. Then color the package is very
Okay.
perfect.
Okay.
Yeah, and sometimes your skin it look dull and the like
Dull,
Yeah,
okay.
dull. Yeah.
Dull
then
skin.
you can use the tomato set.
All right.
So actually we have 12 of the pouch,
Right.
but we combine the by the
Okay.
function and
Okay.
skin there's some problem
All right.
because every day
Right.
our hormone is changed.
Okay.
So our
Right.
skin is every day
Yeah.
change.
Also with the weather, our skin keeps changing.
Yeah.
Okay, so there are 7 mask sheets in this box. So one for each day.
Yeah.
Okay, for a week. So
Yeah,
we can
one-
use this
one
every
program.
day.
Yeah,
Oh,
yeah.
wow.
It's
Okay.
very easy. So
Okay.
by the when you want the
Okay.
salad, then you
Okay.
can use the for 7 days.
Okay, that is so refreshing.
Yeah.
So it's like a detox week.
Yeah,
Right?
Detox week.
Okay.
Yeah, like that.
Okay. So we love that Farm Skin is nature friendly and it's
Yeah.
free of harmful chemicals. So
Yeah.
can you enlighten us how it's made? Our audience would love to know more.
Oh yeah. So actually we are buying the farm material from the farmer
Oh.
and get the vegetable
Right.
from the lab. So
Right.
we can wash the vegetable and dry and using our technology we extract a good component.
That is so
And-
interesting to know.
Yeah, and that extract many extract we gathering and we are mixing. So
Okay.
when you mix, we are just using the GMP certificate the factory
Right.
and ISO certification and US certification only use that factory. So very clean and
Okay.
safe. And
Right.
and the quality, every day we check the quality. So I say that, I'm proud to say that the product is the safe
Wow.
and
Okay.
certified.
Okay. So is it cruelty free and paraben free?
Yeah, there's paraben free
Okay.
and cruelty free
Okay.
and actually do not eat.
Oh, but I'd love to eat it. It looks so tempting. So guys, that was the amazing Nature's best K-beauty brand Farm Skin. Thank you so much for doing this with us, Mr. Gok, and
Thank you.
our audience loved all the revelations. So do you have any message for our Macron audience?
First, thank you for watching this video, and to the Macaron audience and the Indian audience. So we are picked the Farm Skin product in the Macaron box. Please, subscribe the box, please. And in our product, actually my life is inside. So making the good product and giving the good product to the customer. So I have I give all of my energy to them. You can use our product without any concern because this product is my life.
Oh.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you for watching this video. And
Okay.
have a nice day.
Thank you so much. I'm sure our audience would love to use all your products and we can't wait for you to come to India. Thanks again for doing this with us.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Bye. Bye, guys.